What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy a Geek. Let's play the Asphalt 8 on the MacBook Pro 13-inch. Okay, let's get started with the gameplay. And then we're okay. Here we go. Here we go. What happened? I don't know. Like that. I mean, this is the thing I hate about the MacBook Pro. I mean, suddenly the screen went blank. Like, I mean, literally, I was gaming and the screen went blank. MacBook is faulty most. I don't know what to say. I mean, let's play the Asphalt 8 on the MacBook Pro. Here we go. Let me win the race. What happened? Again, the screen went blank. Stupid. I mean, this is the thing I hate about the MacBooks. I mean, at least Windows laptop like Surface Books are much better. Come on. Come on.